Hello everyone, this is Chris with the K, and today we'll be talking about how you can create a beautiful PowerPoint template, right, for your webinar. Today we'll be looking at how you can create a beautiful presentation slides for your webinar. So right now I will be using PowerPoint, and one of the things that you can quickly create like a template for you to start creating your PowerPoint slides, right, will be to create a good master slide. So how do you access the master slide is to go to View and go to Master and go to Slide Master. So over here you can see all the different templated layouts, right, that you can create within your PowerPoint, and then you can individually style each of the master slide. So the one that you see here, right, is the biggest one, and this is a master slide for all the slides that you have in your PowerPoint. And right now let me just drag in a background image. So as you can see right now, once I drag in the background image, all the slides will actually have the same background. So I can try to do a bit of crop. Yeah, and right now with a full image, right, it might be too glaring as a background for your audience when they are reading your slides. So right here, I'll be using the transparency and reduce the transparency of the image. So with this, you'll have a nice looking background image, and try not to get something that is over glaring for your audience when they are reading the slides. And another thing that you can do is to set up a font. So at the same time, I'm going to send the background image to the back so that I can select the other elements within PowerPoint. And for your master slides, you can also set like the fonts, the main fonts that you want. So for example, the header fonts, there's already a default one. I can change all the header font to something if I want it to be digital. Like I come from the game industry, so pixel is very ideal for me. So if I want something that's more classy, more stylized, I can actually change those fonts, and then all these fonts will actually be updated within your slides. Yep. So the moment I exit my master, you can see that the main page looks like this. I can like, this is the main slide. And when I start to add new slides, all the slides will actually be created with all the templated designs and backgrounds that you have. I can even be doing some interesting customization. For example, every slides that I want, like this is considered one of the title slides, right? I might want to add in something like let me find some quick graphics that I wanted to add, and yeah, perhaps I just want to add like a logo. So I'm just going to take a logo that I have done for one of my clients, and I'm gonna add it to maybe like a corner, and only for this title slides I will be having the particular logo that's on that top left hand corner. So if I add a new slides, let's say the content slide, this content slide will not have that logo that will be there. So this is a very quick tutorial of how you can actually customize the look of your PowerPoint slides for your webinar. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you like this video, let me know by leaving a like or comment below, and then remember to click on subscribe and turn on your notification to be notified of future videos, right, that you're going to learn more from me.